Hi, my name is Jasmine. I currently work as a supports coordinator. I do monitoring visits and home visits with clients that are 18 and over, so adult clients, as well as they call them elderly or over 60. I have a caseload of those clients as well. All of my clients have a physical diagnosis as a primary diagnosis, but they can have other issues such as cognitive or mental health issues as a secondary diagnosis. But to be in the waiver programs that we offer, that the state offers, they have to have a physical disability as a primary diagnosis. So I do know and have some knowledge of medical terminology, dealing with, ICD-10 codes, medical coding, and things like that. But as far as clinical social work goes, it's a kind of a new, frontier for me. And sorry, I can see my laptop screen in my glasses. I just got new glasses. I apologize for that. But some of my goals is to learn more about what clinical social work entails. I do have some interest in, because I am in the state of PA, eventually working, in a hospital setting or a clinical setting. I know that the state of Pennsylvania is currently going through something called managed care, where they're kind of introducing that, and that's more of a medical model. So I'm a little nervous about that, but at the same time, because I am, going for clinical social work, I do have some interest in that, but hopefully keeping it, with medical model as well as more relational, which I read about in the first chapter of one of the textbooks. So my goal is to try and find out how to balance the two, have the medical model that I'll eventually be following in this state, but also how to keep it relational. Thank you.